Chapter 4. More on Visual Basic. In this chapter, we will be learning about more features of Visual Basic language which will help us to create projects easily and effectively on occurrence of any event. Data types in VB. A variable is a named location that holds data. A variable can hold only one data type. A program can have as many variables as you need, but before you can use a variable, it must be declared. You use a DIM statement to declare variables where DIM stands for dimension. There are 5 categories of data types in VB6. Integer, string, date, boolean, variant. But these data types are divided into more sub-data types. Integer data type. Byte. Store integer values in the range of 0 to 255. Integer. Store integer values in the range of minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Long. Store integer values in the range of minus 2,147,483,468 to plus 2,147,483,467. Single. Store floating point value in the range of minus 3.4 into 10 minus 38 to plus 3.4 into 10 plus 38. Double. Store large floating values which exceed the single data type value. Currency. Store monetary values. It supports 4 digits to the right of decimal point and 15 digits to the left. String. Used to store alphanumeric values. A variable length string can store approximately 4 billion characters. Date. Used to store date and time values. A variable declared as date type can store both date and time values, and it can store date values 1, 1, 100 up to 12, 31, 9999. Boolean. Boolean data types hold either a true or false value. These are not stored as numeric values and cannot be used as such. Values are internally stored as 1, true, and 0, false, and any non-zero value is considered as true. Variant. Stores any type of data. In Visual Basic, if we declare a variable without any data type, by default, the data type is assigned as variant. Visual Basic operators. In Visual Basic 6.0, there are 3 types of operators. The following examples provide the all examples for operators. Arithmetical operators. Operators. Description. Example. Result. Add. 5.5. 10. Subtract. 10 minus 5. 5. Divide. 25 by 5. 5. Integer division. 20 integer 3. 6. Multiply. 5 into 4. 20. Exponent. Power of. 3 to the power of 3. 27. Remainder of division. 20 mod 6. 2. String concatenation. Hello and world. Hello world. Relational operators. Operators. Description. Example. Result. Greater than. 10 is greater than 8. True. Less than. 10 is less than 8. False. Greater than or equal to. 20 is greater than or equal to 10. True. Less than or equal to. 10 is less than or equal to 20. True. Not equal to. 5 is not equal to 4. True. Equal to. 5 is equal to 7. False. Logical operators. The logical operators always check the statement is true or false. Operators. Description. Or. Operation will be true if either of the operands is true. Not. Operation will be true if not equal of the operands is true. And. Operation will be true only if both the operands are true. Function and argument in Visual Basic. A function is a segment of code that accepts 0, one or more arguments and returns a single result. Visual Basic includes many built-in functions. Some perform basic mathematical tasks. Others manipulate string data such as converting text to uppercase or lowercase letters. An argument is a value you pass to a function, so the function has data to work with. Function names have the parenthesis at the end to hold the function arguments. Even if a function has no arguments, the parentheses are required. Some common functions used in VB 6.0. Print. This function is used to print the data on the form. Syntax. Print. String. Example. Print Hello World. Input box. This is used to take input from the user. Syntax. Input box. Message. Example. S equal to input box, enter the value A. Message box. This is used to message to the user. Syntax. Message box, string to display. Example. Message box, welcome to VB 6.0. Now, understand the above functions with the help of an example. Design the form taking name of a person in an input box and returning the name on the form using any control as shown in the figure, and in code window add the code. dim a as string. Private sub command 1 underscore click message box. Print welcome to VB 6.0. A is equal to input box, enter your name. Message box, you are successfully added plus A. End sub. Now press F5 to run the application. Conditional statement. Conditional statements, also known as branching statements, are used to cause certain actions within a program if a certain condition is met. There are two types of conditional statements, which are if then else and select case. If then else statement. If then else is a conditional statement which, when gets executed, checks for the condition in the code with the use of logical and relational operators. If the condition evaluates to be true, then the statement present after the then statements gets executed. Otherwise, if the condition is not met, the statement present in else block gets executed. Let us see the syntax of if then else statement. Syntax. If condition, then statement, else, statement, and if. Example: if number greater than or equal to 10 and number less than or equal to 20, then answer is equal to congratulations, else answer is equal to sorry, try again. And design the application using various controls using if-then-else statement. Step 1. Open a new project in VB 6.0. Step 2. Add 3 shape control, shape 1, shape 2 and shape 3 from toolbox on the form. Change backstyle property of each shape control to opaque by property window. Also, change the shape property to circle. Step 3. Drag and drop a timer control on the form and set its interval property to some integer value, say 3000. Also, set its property enabled to true. Step 4. Now, write the following code on the timer event of time control timer1. Private sub timer1 underscore timer. If shape 3.backColor equal to VB green, then shape 2.backColor equal to VB yellow, shape 3.backColor equal to VB white, timer1.interval equal to 500, else if shape 2.backColor equal to VB yellow, then shape 1.backColor equal to VB red, shape 2.backColor equal to VB white, timer1.interval equal to 5000, else shape 3.backColor equal to VB green, shape 1.backColor equal to VB white, timer1.interval equal to 3500. And if, end sub. Step 5. Run the application to view traffic light working. After some interval of time which we mentioned in our code, color will change. Select case structure. Select case structure is an alternative to if-then-else if for selectively executing single block of statements from among multiple block of statements. Select case is more convenient to use than the if-then-else if. The following program blocks show the working of select case. Syntax. Select case index. Case 0. Statements. Case 1. Statements. And select. Looping structure. Another procedure that involves decisions making is looping. Visual Basic allows a procedure to be repeated many times until a condition or a set of conditions is fulfilled. This is generally called looping. Looping is a very useful feature of Visual Basic because it makes repetitive work easier. There are two kinds of loops in Visual Basic, the do-while loop and the for-next loop. The do-while loop is used to execute statements until a certain condition is met. The following do loop counts from 1 to 100. DIM number as integer. Number equal to 1. Do while number is less than or equal to 100. Number equal to number plus 1. Loop. A variable number is initialized to 1 and then the do while loop starts. First, the condition is tested. If condition is true, then the statements are executed. When it gets to the loop, it goes back to the do and test condition again. If condition is false on the first pass, the statements are never executed. Example. Write a program to print even numbers from 1 to 10. For next loop. The for next loop is used to repeat the set of statements a fixed number of times. It uses a counter to count the number of executions. Syntax: for variable equal to start value to end value step value. Statements: next variable. Example: write a program to print hello 5 times. Example: write a program to generate the numbers in the following form. Some more examples for looping. Program to find entered number is prime number or not. Program for multiplication table of entered number. Quick review. Variables are used to give name to memory location where you store data. Operators are symbols or commands that are used to evaluate an expression. A function is a segment of code that accepts 0, 1 or no arguments and returns a single result. An argument is a value you pass to a function. Conditional statements, also known as decision-making statements or branching statements, which are used for checking the condition true and executing the corresponding statements. Looping structures are used for repetition of a task. Chapter 5. Working